I've been sick, so these clips are from a few weeks ago. I decided to do a deep clean on the car. It's well needed. It was awful. But here I'm just packing everything that I need, my wipes, my supplies, and I went ahead and tried this new upholstery cleaner and stain remover. It works really well, but you do need like a really, really damp towel to remove the product. I'm just so embarrassed. Can you guys believe this? This was the before. The car needed a deep clean. It was so disgusting. I don't think I've cleaned out my car in like 3 months. Yeah, 3 months. I know, it was so bad. Stuff was just everywhere. Just kept getting worse. Look at all that junk. I don't know how. You guys know how clean I am. This is absurd. But I went ahead and did a pre-clean. So I pre-vacuumed, got rid of some trash. And there's the stain I was talking about earlier. A mess. Oh, here we go. On this day, it was so cold. I was freezing. I was struggling doing this. I think I was like starting to get sick without realizing it because I was just over it. I couldn't believe how bad the car got. But yeah, I think it was about like 20 degrees this day. It was so cold. Went around and disinfected everything with the Clorox wipes. They were super wet. There was a lot of stuff at the bottom, and so I just went ahead and pre-washed everything and then went back over it. As you'll see in these next few clips, this was so satisfying and it smells so good. That was so disturbing. I want you guys to look at this. See how gross the cup holders are. Ew, that is so gross. But finally, everything's starting to look better, feel better. Just a breath of fresh air. going back over everything, make sure I got all the dust and the gross stickiness and crumbs and things like that. And I'm also gonna do another pre-vacuum before the car wash, just so it's pre-done, and then I could just get the rest of the crap up. So before using the stain remover, I went ahead and vacuumed as directed on the bottle, and then I went ahead and sprayed. I scrubbed it for so long, and then I went over it again, and it did get the stains out. Like I said, you just need a wet cloth afterwards to pick up the residue after. Yay, and here we are, the car wash. I went to Wawa. I really like their car wash. They're a very decent price and they clean the cars very well. I was very happy with the service. And to me, they have the best vacuums. for your car. If you're in the North Carolina region, they're the best. And here we are, the complete finished product. The car smells so good. I put in the vents the little vanilla scent thingies. I got those from Target. And guys, the car, it's night and day, night and day. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll check you guys in the next one. I have more stuff coming soon. Bye guys.